we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meetup app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on push notifications, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here, click on notification categories here. So then you come to next step here, come here to change this to event time or location, click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone, that's mean change this to event time to location notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.